Rope maintenance, a guide to preserving your ropes. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the concept of rope maintenance. This topic is crucial for anyone who uses ropes regularly, whether for climbing, sailing, or other activities. Understanding how to properly maintain your ropes can significantly extend their lifespan and ensure safety. Rope maintenance involves a range of practices aimed at keeping ropes in good condition. This includes regular cleaning, proper storage, and routine inspections for wear and tear. By maintaining your ropes, you not only save money in the long run but also prevent accidents caused by rope failure. The first step in rope maintenance is cleaning. Dirt and grime can damage the fibers of a rope over time. Washing your rope with mild soap and water, and then drying it out completely before storage is essential. We'll go through the best practices for washing ropes, including do's and don'ts. Proper storage is key to extending the life of your rope. This means keeping it away from direct sunlight, chemicals, and moisture. We'll discuss different storage techniques, like coil and bag storage methods, and why they're important. Regular inspections are crucial for identifying potential issues. Look for signs of abrasion, cuts, or unusual wear. Understanding how to inspect a rope and when to retire it is crucial for safety. We'll delve into what to look for during inspections and how to decide if a rope is still safe to use. Rope maintenance is an essential skill that can significantly impact the safety and longevity of your ropes. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your ropes remain in top condition for as long as possible. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful in your rope maintenance journey.